Hey, this is Keith at Half Tracks and Honeybees. Guess what? Another swarm. Oh well, we caught him. Let's do a flyover. I don't have any more bottom boards. I'm having to use a double screen board for a bottom and a piece of plywood for a top until I can get to the bee supply store. Haven't seen the queen yet. I dumped one basket full inside the hive. Probably got one more basket up in the hive. Most of them are down here now. Oh well. Be back in just a minute. I dumped another basket. Y'all see the queen anywhere? This is a pretty cool perspective right here, isn't it? Looks like they're all standing in line for a concert or something. We'll put you up for a minute so I can look for the queen. Still hadn't seen the queen. She was probably in that first bucket that I dumped inside the hive. They're all starting to walk in pretty good. Quite a few butts up in the air. Okay. Be right back. Okay, I got most of them in the box now and out of the tree. Got a lot of butts up in the air, spreading pheromones. Let's do another flyover. Still got a few in the bucket. I got to get out. I think they like it in the bucket. I sprayed some Swarm Commander in there, I don't know, a few weeks ago. I'm sure some of it's still lingering. But yeah, they're doing pretty good. Let's see what's going on inside the box. Okay. I've got 2 frames of honey. Well, I mean a frame of food and a frame of a drawn comb in there. So they should be pretty happy. So next time I'll probably be putting them in place. Not much else to see here. Pretty good catch. Well, I got it in place. Got a few bearding on the front. No big deal. So I came through the winter with 9 hives. And with the swarms and splits, this makes 23. I was planning on getting to 15 and stopping. But bees don't like to stop. Bees like to drive us crazy and be fruitful and multiply. Oh well. Thankfully 3 hives are going to a new home this week. So then I'll only have 20. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed that. That was a pretty easy one. If you like it, hit that subscribe and the like button. And remember, always take time to enjoy the buzz. Take care, and we'll see y'all later.